Music show recording day, or your first fan sign. It's loud, it's crowded, and staff are shouting directions. 3 words get you through it all. Let's learn them.
줄 서기, 입장, 자리.
At a music show or fan sign, the day moves in 3 stages: line up, go in, find your spot. Learn the word for each and you'll always know what's happening. One by one.
오늘 이 세 단어면 돼요?
First. Is a line, is standing. Together, lining up. Everything at these events starts with a cue, and staff will point you to it.
여기 줄 서면 돼요?
Say July SEOGI. Staff say, please line up. You ask, is this the line? And where's the back of the line?
여기 줄이에요? 맨 뒤가 어디예요?
You arrive and there are 3 different lines with no signs. Before you commit to the wrong one, you check with the fan next to you.
저기요, 여기 팬사인 줄이에요?
2 words you'll hear in line. A numbered ticket that sets your order. And, in order, meaning they'll call you by your number. Keep that ticket safe.
번호표 받으셨어요? 순서대로 들어가요?
Second. It means entry, going inside. When they open the doors, staff announce and the line starts moving in. This is your signal.
지금 입장이에요.
Say 입장. Entry is starting. At the door you can say, I'm going in, as you show your ticket. Have your ID and ticket ready.
입장 시작이에요. 표 보여주세요.
The doors open and staff call your number group. You reach the front with your ticket and ID out, and confirm you're good to go in.
저 지금 입장하면 돼요?
Entry usually means a check. ID and ticket check. Staff may say, please show your ID. Just hand it over, smile, done.
신분증 보여주세요. 네, 여기요.
Third. It means seat or spot, your place in the room. At a fan sign it's a seat number. At a music show it's your standing zone. Find your and settle in.
제 자리가 어디예요?
Say 자리. Ask staff, where's my seat? If someone's in your spot, you say gently, this is my seat. Show your number.
여기 제 자리예요. 확인 부탁드려요.
Inside, the rows aren't clearly numbered and time is tight before it starts. You show your ticket to a staff member and ask where to go.
제 자리 어디예요? 표 여기 있어요.
A tone note, you'll hear these as commands from staff. That's normal and polite in their role. You reply in polite form, and everyone moves smoothly.
직원분 안내는 그냥 따라가면 돼요.
Keep your questions polite and short, and you're safe with any staff or fan. To get attention, then your question. These words work at any event or venue in Korea.
저기요, 하고 정중하게 물어보면 돼요.
Your turn, repeat after the native speaker. Lining up. Entry. Your seat. And a full line?
줄 서기, 입장, 자리. 제 자리 어디예요?
Your mission. In the comments, ask me one thing you'd need at a fan sign in Korean, like? Or. I'll answer as your staff. Subscribe, next time is our big season finale.
댓글에 제 자리 어디예요? 써보세요.